Good morning, kindergarten, and welcome to your last phonics lesson for Term 3, Week 9. Let's get started, everybody. And you know that we always start our phonics lessons with our 4 jobs of reading. So please join in. Here we go. When we're reading, we have 4 jobs. First job, lift the words off the page and put them in our brain. Second job, read really fast. Read like a river, not like a robot. Third job, know what the words mean and put them in our suitcase. Close, lock. Fourth job, now here's the magic, understanding what you read. And we need to have our 4 jobs of reading so we can be strong readers, mighty spellers and wizard writers. Well done, everybody. I think you're ready for some retrieval practice now. And let's get started. What is a phoneme? Did you say a phoneme is a tiny sound that comes out of our mouth in a word? Well done. Tickle on your ear. Let's go through our next one. What is a grapheme? The way the phoneme looks when you write it. Tickle under your chin. Great job. We are now going to do some retrieval practice, and today's retrieval practice is looking at some old phonemes that we know. I've got our old phonemes here, and what I am going to do is I'm going to say a phoneme, and then I want you to point to it on our screen. And your parent or carer might give you the thumbs up if you have got that phoneme correct. Are you ready? Here we go. Find me. It's right next to my head there. J, E, D, O, Z, B, O, V, A. How did you go? If that was a bit tricky for you, rewind and play it again and see if you can point and match the phonemes and the graphemes correctly. And if you manage that really well, awesome job. We're going to keep going on with our phonics lesson for today. We've been learning how to segment, and segment is a strategy that we use for spelling. And the way that we use this strategy to spell is for listening to the sounds that you hear in a word and writing those sounds down when you hear them. And we listen for the beginning, middle and end sounds to help us. Now think about how you've gone this week. You might need to change your goal so it's a bit harder, or maybe you might need to change your goal so it's a bit easier. Have a think about now how many words you are going to aim for at the end of our lesson to spell correctly. 3, 4, or maybe 6 or more words. Choose your goal and tell your parent and carer what you're aiming for today, and let's get started. This is my turn. Watch me. I'm going to segment our first word today. There are some children playing on a jumping castle, and that looks fun. Our first word today is fun. I'm going to segment fun. So I stretch it out slowly. I might count the phonemes I hear. And now I will write a phoneme for each sound I hear. Fun. Let's see how I went. Yes. I did hear. I did get all of those phonemes for fun. Good job for me. Now it is your turn. Get ready with a piece of paper and a pen, and if you don't have your equipment ready, then pause the video and go and get what you need so we can start our segmenting lesson. This girl is thinking, and she doesn't have any thoughts. So we might say, if she has 0 thoughts, we might say nil. Nil is another word for 0. Listen carefully. Nil. Let's count the sounds. I, o, I, can you write nil on your page? Nil. Pause the video if you need to as you're segmenting. Nil. How did you go? Tick or fix, did you have the n, the I, and the u? Good work. Our next word is bin. It looks like this. Bin is full. Bin. Count your phonemes. B, I, n, b, I, n. Bin. Writing bin. Bin. How did you go? Make sure you've got that b written correctly. My little trick is to do a h first and join it at the bottom. Bin. Our next word is jug. This jug has some orange juice in it. Jug. Count your phonemes. J, a, g. J, a, g. Why here 3? Can you write 3 graphemes to match these phonemes? J, a, g. Jug. Let's see how you went. Jug. Give yourself a tick or fix if you need to. Great work, everybody. Let's keep going. Our next word is bed. Or bed is a comfy place to have a sleep. Bed. Get ready to count your phonemes. B, e, bed. Bed. I hear 3. Let's see how you went. Bed. Ah, yes. I hear b, e, d. Make sure you've got your b and d facing the right way. If you need to pause the video and fix your graphemes, make sure you do. It's important that we form these letters correctly and they're facing the right way. You might give yourself some extra practice by writing the word a couple of times to make sure that you've got those graphemes written correctly if you need to. Bed. Our next word is a tricky one. Get ready and listen carefully. This word is bend. Bend. Ooh, I think this has more phonemes this time. Let's get ready and get ready to count them. B, e, ben, b, and d. Ooh, I hear 4 phonemes this time. Bend. B, and bend. Writing bend. Remember to stop the video if you need a bit of extra time. Writing bend. How did you go with that tricky word? It has all the same graphemes as bed. It's just got a cheeky n in there too. Tick or fix, everybody. Our next word is sand. There is a bucket and spade in the sand. Sand sounds like it has a lot of phonemes too. Let me count and check. S, ooh, that's hard. S, and sand. 4. There's a tricky sound in there. S, and. Reminds me of that tricky sound we have with man and tan. I wonder if that was a little clue to help you. Writing sand. Let's see how you went. Yes, I hear s. Ah, there's that tricky vowel. Ah. It sounds like an ah in this word because that's just how we sound when we're reading this word in English. It sounds a bit funny, doesn't it? And sand, but we don't say sand, we say sand. That's a tricky one. Tick or fix, everybody. Sand. Okay, it's time to have a check-in to see how we've gone with today's segmenting skill. Remember your goal from earlier? Now it's time to see how you're going to go with your goal by doing a fast write. I'm going to say the word 3 times, and if you need more time to write that word, you can always pause the video and then start it again when you're ready. So remember, we're aiming parents and carers for 80% correct. So depending on what your child's goal is, as long as they're getting 80% for that goal, then we are on the right track. And if they've picked a hard goal and that we haven't reached our 80% today, you know, for our next lesson, you might help them to make an easier goal to achieve for next time. And if it was too easy, then make the goal harder next time. All right, everybody, let's see how we go. All right, kindergarten, make sure you've got your paper and your pen ready, and let's do a fast write. Your first word is fun. 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 Nil. 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 Jog. 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 Men. 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 Bin. 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 Jug. 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 Bed. 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 Red. 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 10. 10. 10. Bend. 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 Last word. Sand. 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 Whew, well done, everybody. Let's see how you went with your goal today. Here's our list of words. You can go through each one and tick or fix each of those words to see how you went with your goal today. Make sure you share your success with your parent or carer and use this information to help you decide on our goals for our next phonics lesson. Don't forget to record your score and share your work with your family. Next time in phonics, we are going to continue to segmenting, perhaps even introduce some camera words. We'll see how we go. And we will definitely do some more retrieval practice of all the things that we have learnt so far in phonics. Thank you for joining me Thank you for joining me today, everybody. And I'll see you next time for a phonics lesson. Bye for now.